Journey through gaming, 1980 to today. 1980. The adventure begins with Pac-Man munching its way into our hearts. 1985. Super Mario Bros. Leaps onto the scene, redefining platform gaming. 1989. The Game Boy revolutionizes gaming on the go, making play portable. 1991. Sonic the Hedgehog races onto Sega Genesis, speeding into rivalry with Mario. 1996. Pokémon Red and Blue capture the world, creating a global phenomenon. 2001. The era of Xbox begins, bringing Halo and a new level of gaming graphics. 2004. World of Warcraft launches, inviting players into an expansive online world. 2007. The mobile gaming revolution is sparked by the release of the iPhone. 2013. The gaming community welcomes the PlayStation 4 and Xbox One, setting new standards for console power. 2020. The world meets the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series XS, ushering in the next generation of gaming. Through the years, video games have evolved from simple pixels to vast, immersive worlds. Each era brings innovation, shaping the games we love today. What's your favorite gaming milestone?